So I'm in this Dodge Durango. Y'all know the battery is under the seat, right? So I put my hand down here getting ready to pick up on the battery, and I saw something crawl. And I need proof. What the hell is that? Ladies and gentlemen, imagine, it looked like a spider. Okay, imagine if I'd have stuck my hand down there to grab this battery and that damn thing bit me. Would I become Peter Parker? Will I all of a sudden gain spider powers, spider senses, and I can start crawling and stuff? Should I get bit intentionally? What y'all think? Let me see, man. That looked like a damn spider. I saw something freaking crawling. I'm going, what the hell is this? How does people get... Oh, look. Oh, hell no. Bro, let me get this out right quick before that sucker come back around. Oh my goodness. Why does people have freaking bugs? I don't see it. And if you don't see something, that means you have no idea where its location is. How do people get freaking bugs in their car? Look. Is that a roach egg? What the hell? Oh my God. It's not even... Oh, it's all making sense now. Kids. You don't blame the kids. Kids gonna be kids, right? You blame the adults for not freaking... Well, is this a beer can? I wouldn't say this kids. Oh, watermelon juice. Oh my goodness. Guys, freaking, it's not even safe. I need some gloves. Okay. Dodge Durango, Jeep Grand Cherokee. The battery is inside the freaking seat. Alright, so I don't know what to do. I don't know where that spider went after this, but I got a job to do. So what I'm going to do is try my best. For all I know, damn spider could be on the battery. I just don't want to get bit. I don't know if y'all ever seen, y'all know the story of Peter Parker? He got bit right here. Right here. My hand's dirty. And all of a sudden he has spider powers. I don't feel like I've been bit, but let me push in right here and see if something spring out. Nope. Didn't nothing spring out. Let me see if I can crawl this wall right quick. If this wall is sticking. Nope, the wall not sticking, so I didn't get the Peter Parker effect. I didn't get bit. I don't remember getting bit. But I'm just saying, hypothetically, had I gotten bit. Alright, TT, stop freaking clowning around. Get these folks' battery replaced. People, clean your freaking... Oh my goodness. And don't blame the kids. Adults, take your car to a deep... But still... Look. Okay. I'm playing now, but I'm going too far. Listen. Even so, even if your car junky nasty with food, how does bugs end up in the car? Like, in order for something, any kind of living creature to make it inside your car, right? It has to find a way to get in. The only way to physically get in a automobile, moving automobile, not even moving, just first it's got to start with the tire. So it's got to crawl up to it, work its way through the tire, and I'm sure it can work its way through some of these crevices and end up in here with some food at. And down there or whatever, living down there making eggs and shit. But how does it even start there? Like, how does it get there, dude? I don't know, man. I need answers. Oh, okay, JT, you're a tech. You ain't supposed to worry about stuff like that. All right, guys. Let me put some real batteries in this car. Y'all saw what kind of batteries those were? That's probably why. They had them damn Derman batteries in there. And those Derman batteries will cause bugs. Yeah, look at these junky ass batteries. 2 of them. The same AC Delco, guys. Here you go right here. You know what? I'm about to show y'all something. How this is what the pros use, all right? Okay. Mopar versus AC Delco. It's no match. Okay, the next time this car needs batteries will likely be 5 years from now. You see that? Garbage, professional. Derman-like Mopar. Okay. JT. Some of y'all think I'm crazy, but yeah, if you don't, I don't know. Let me stop. Goodbye, AC Delco. Dermot. I mean, Mopar going in this car. Guys, I'm playing too much. I got work to do. I ain't got time to play with y'all. But I'm scared. I'm going to put some gloves on. I don't think the spider can penetrate through a plastic glove, right? What the hell? So, this is, y'all see that? That is a living creature. It's crawling. Wait a minute. Look, this is somebody's hat. This hat is in the car. Do y'all see that? No, I am not hallucinating. That is a living... Look, it's going over there with that chip. Doritos. Roaches, bugs love Doritos. Wait a minute. I'm not eating Doritos no more. Anybody want to take a stab? Is that a fly? Roach? Baby roach? Where's your mother? That's not even a spider. Where's your mommy? I can't work under these conditions. I'm thinking about changing careers, guys. I'm getting out of this industry. Oh my God. People are just... Somebody gonna grab this hat to put it on. You gotta go over there. Oh, my cookies and... Oh, man, let me help him finish this car and get up out of here. Holy crap. Okay, guys. I gotta go.